यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं सबसे पहले सभी को मैरी क्रिसमस कहना चाहती हूँ और मैं बहुत सुपर एक्साइटेड हूँ कि मेरा इस साल कंट्री क्लब के साथ कोलैबोरेशन हुआ है और ऑब्वियसली मैं तो कंट्री क्लब के आई एम पार्ट ऑफ इट और नया साल भी मैं इन्हीं के साथ कर रही हूँ। सो आई एम एक्साइटेड कि मेरा क्रिसमस और नया साल कंट्री क्लब के साथ है और मिस्टर राजीव जी के साथ अभी बहुत अच्छा कोलैबोरेशन भी हुआ है और या आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर मोर इवेंट्स एंड मोर वर्क विद देम।
राजू सर आपका ये कैसे
Same thing. What Sonali ji बताया ना, that is main spirit behind our meeting here today. In fact, meet and greet the program what we are having today is fundamental first phase when you tend to interact with the members, try to share their problems, try to find a solution, and make sure that our family expands in a very big way, nice way, respectable way. Because I personally believe in total transparency. A lot of, our CRM team, customer relations team, is a very important area where we react to members with their videos, what went wrong, what went right. 9 out of 10 times, mostly the members are right. I personally feel that should be attended to. Yeah, so we get to have first-hand information about what is happening in the company, what is happening in our wildlife resorts, what is happening in our other resorts. So this has become a very important tool. So that's the reason why we are where we are. There was, I think, one of the world's biggest family chain. Having 2 million members is not a joke, and it's more like a community. And if you want to maintain harmony, if you want to grow, unless that particular member is happy, you will not be able to really do justice. So our objective is to make our members only the brand ambassadors of the country club. So each and every member is as valuable as anybody else. So that is the main concept of the meet and greet.
Big Boss 8 में आपने धमाल मचाई. Is there any upcoming project?
Yeah, I have a movie project coming up. So that's with Sanjay Sharma and Anil Sharma. So that I'm going to start shooting from January onwards. And of course हमारे events चलते ही रहते हैं. So yeah, हम काफ़ी travel करते ही रहते हैं. So at the most, and I have few music videos also coming. So that's the upcoming.
Please share your best memory of Merry Christmas. Any best memory you have?
Memories, in fact, I'm into wildlife adventure sports and all that. Last time in this October 1st, I had a white river rafting in Sri Lanka. That was one of my best moments.
Yes, हमें भी मिलवाइए ना.
Anytime.
Right?
In fact, all the World Cup winners, right from Kapil Dev onwards to Gavaskar,
Right?
we all met here. ये lawn में, we met this thing. We made a special car for them called the Sudha cars, and then Kapil Dev ji he drove in this Jara Bahar Brigade. So that is the way how we entered Bombay. We entered in a most innovative way, and Bombay has responded very positively. That is the reason why I always tell people you focus on Bombay, because if you give whatever time you give to Bombay, if you are successful, you are 10 times bigger. So Bombay is the place I personally feel people work a lot, people are more passionate. It is very competitive. So to be a stranger, Hyderabad-based company, coming here, setting up clubs, and it's not an easy thing. But then I have a fantastic team with me. I have an aggressive team, and it's a very transparent company. So we all, our only focus is the goal with the right people. Unless you have a good team, you can't perform. And we have fortunately God has been kind, He has blessed me with a great team. And that's how we are here, and we wish to grow further in this.
सोनाल में आपको ऐसी यादें क्रिसमस की आपकी बचपन में या कभी की यादें शेयर करेंगे आप?
जी, क्रिसमस तो मेरे लिए हमेशा स्पेशल ही रहता है क्योंकि 2 दिन पहले मेरा बर्थडे रहता है. सो आई जस्ट सेलिब्रेटेड माई बर्थडे विच वॉज ऑन 23rd December. तो मेरा बर्थडे से ही एक बर्थडे वीक ही शुरू हो जाता है. सो फ्रॉम 22nd ऑनवर्ड्स टिल 1st और 2nd तक मेरा सेलिब्रेशन ही चलता है. एंड क्रिसमस तो ऑब्वियसली बचपन में तो हमारे घर में सांता क्लॉज आते थे और हमें गिफ्ट मिलता था. तो आई एम श्योर अभी ये उम्र में भी काफ़ी अभी सांता क्लॉज हमें गिफ्ट्स देंगे. यू आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट माय बर्थडे. बाय द वे देयर इज अ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन आल्सो टुनाइट, राइट?
Yeah.
So what is special for you on this 2025?
I think 2025 I'm expecting like a lot of things. I'm expecting like a lot of great opportunities, maybe business opportunities too, or I think hopefully getting settled. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, but I wish 2025 a great year to everyone, or I wish that for everyone.
मैम कंट्री क्लब के हर प्रोग्राम में अभी लगातार आपको चीफ गेस्ट पे बनते रह रहे हैं सेलिब्रिटी.
कुछ भी कुछ भी. This is only the first time I've come.
नहीं, दिस इज द सेकंड टाइम. लास्ट टाइम भी आप
Last time I came to announce. Yes. So yes, अभी तो because I'm part of country club. So yes, आप you will see me more. I hope आपको problem नहीं है.
नहीं मैं तो आपको पूछ रहा हूँ.
But
Yes.
ma'am, welcome in country club family.
Oh, thank you very much. By the way, are you from country club?
No, I'm from Punjab Kesari.
I think, okay.